may standard, may pagkakasunod-sunod. Particularly, phenomenology. Marami pong klase ng qualitative research, pero dito pag-aaralan po natin yung phenomenology. It is a systematic investigation of the study of material sources to establish facts, to reach new conclusion. It's systematic. Okay? So, with order po ito. Studying the meaning of people's lives. Okay? Pag-aaralan natin yung buhay ng tao. Sa qualitative research kasi, yung mga social phenomena natin, observation, or even immerse yourself. Isama mo yung sarili mo dun sa pangyayari, dun sa pamumuhay nila. Presenting the views and perspective of people. What is phenomenology? The essence of this study is to search for the central underlying meaning of the participant's experience and point of view. It is the study of my students in grade 11, UMS A. Okay, dumaan na po sa defense.